Hey guys, Steve Welcher, Beam and Toyota in Nashville. Wanted to show you something that's actually really cool. I'm sitting here in a Platinum Tundra, beautiful, beautiful vehicle, of course, but wanted to show you something that's actually geared towards safety. So Toyota is offering on a lot of their vehicles actually console safes. Obviously, most commonly what people use the console safe for is for a firearm or possibly maybe put your wallet in there, something like that. But it is very nice to know that Toyota is offering it as an option. So the question you might have is, what is it? How big is it? How can you use it? How easy is it to get into? Obviously, if you have an emergency, something like that, you want to know how quick those things are. So I'm going to show you all of that, show you right now from inside this truck. So what we're going to do is we're going to look here. Like I said, this is a Platinum. This is your center console. I'm going to lift this up here. Now there could be a couple of different variations based off of how you look at it. You'll notice here to remove by end user only, and it says your combination has been preset by the factory to 0, 0, 0. So if you look at these, all you have to do is turn one of these and this will not open. All right, so if you're going to turn this, go to your 0 here, and now you'll see you can turn this. Lift this up very easy and take a look on the inside. You can see it's very deep. I put my hand down in here. I mean, you're talking very, very large. This will show you the size. This is the books, right? So all your owner's manuals can fit in there without any issues to fit there. So you can tell, you know, if you know how big your owner's manuals are, you can tell how big that book packet is. You can definitely fit a firearm, couple other things, anything that you need safe in there. And then obviously it's in there, it's solid. It isn't going anywhere, guys. So if you want to look at the inside, you can see how the inside works here. Very, very easy, you know, just easy mechanism in order to work. So question being is, how safe is it with 0, 0, 0, 0 as your combination? And the answer is it's not. So what are you going to do? Well, what you'll do is there's actually a little hole that's right here, if you can see that little tiny hole. And what I would tell you to do is to take your key that you get from your dealer. Usually it'll have some type of a key tag on there or a paper clip. And I'm gonna kind of see if I can undo this, but can't really do it with one hand, but you kind of get the idea. So you undo this, roll this out, you can actually put that in there. So I'm going to set my camera down here for a second. Bear with me for 2 seconds, guys. I'm going to keep on talking here, but that way I can do this with just my one hand here. So, all right. So now what I've done is I've actually turned this key ring into a way that I can reprogram this bolt. All right. So what you'll see here is once you've got that in there, you take your paper clip or the key or whatever, and you push this in there. There's actually, you can feel it when you do this. So, like I said, it's very fun to do with one hand while you're trying to record. But once you put this in there, you can actually change that combination. So I just changed that to a number 1, and you can see that this will open, and no longer will the 0 unlock. So you can change this to anything. So you have to know what your initial combination was, of course, in order to change that lock. So you change that back, or put that back to 0. But I could change this to 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't do that. But you can change each one of those to a different level. So you can put whatever, you know, and put, you know, 3, 4, 6, 2 or something. I mean, whatever the numbers that you want. Anything 0 to 9 on each dial, you can put those into different a different number in there. So I have seen different console safes that are a little different. I've seen ones with the button on the outside of it where you change it, and it's a little long one, and it's got a key cylinder. Those are ones that are available as well. There are different ways to do it, but usually you're going to have it programmed to zeros, and you're going to have a way to reset it to whatever you want to program it to. So they never know what you're trying to do. So depending on how you guys want to use it, or you know, there's some people that might never use the console safe even though it's in there, but it is nice to have if you guys, like I said, if you have a firearm or something that you'd want to use to put in there. But it is, I mean, it's steel. You can kind of get feel how that comes down on there. It is a really, it's a thick piece of steel. Now, I guess you can always say that anything with enough effort can probably be broken into. I mean, I'm not going to say that it's 100%, that there's never a chance, but we all know that it's just about slowing somebody down more times than not. And that's definitely what this would do. Definitely slow you down if you have criminal intent or are trying to get to something that's pretty fast. Most people that break into a car are not looking to stay there for a long period of time. I'm sure you guys would agree with me on that. So definitely Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. Hope you guys have a great day. Hopefully I've helped you out to know whether or not you want the console safe. But definitely let me know if I can help you out here. Like, subscribe. Appreciate every one of you guys. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, downtown Nashville. You guys have a great day.